Okay, so the inner latch is a little bit more hidden than usual. Can you see where my hand is? It's right almost down by the pedal. It's not the fuel here, it's not that, that's to open the fuel cap. It's here, it's quite buried in, quite deep. The inner lever, and now you can see there's this gap here that wasn't there before. You can get your finger, the levers above the badge, and my middle finger or second finger is moving it. It's moving off to the right. It's quite easy to find. It's intuitively located. Lift. Would be nice to have a automatic strut, but there's not. Got the strut in, and let's come back. We come back to the lever now. Since it's attached to the car rather than the bonnet, and it's quite a big thing. There's no trouble to find it. Your fingers underneath the bonnet like this. Push it off to the side. So okay, so you do your jobs. You check your water, oil, and other things. You make that you want to close the hood bonnet now. You remove the strut. Park the strut again. Here's the strut parked. You make sure you've replaced all the caps. You've left